Question number 12. Mohini has 30-meter cloth and she wants to make some shirts for her son. If each shirt requires 2-meter 30-centimeter cloth, how many shirts in all can be made and how much length of cloth will be left? Now the meaning of question is, मोहनी एक लेडी है जिसके पास 30 मीटर क्लॉथ अवेलेबल है और वो अपने बेटे के लिए कुछ शर्ट्स स्टिच करना चाहती है, कुछ शर्ट्स बनाना चाहती है। अगर एक शर्ट को बनाने में उनको जो क्लॉथ की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो 2 मीटर 30 सेंटीमीटर है, तो ऐसी कितनी शर्ट्स वो बना सकती हैं। देन ये शर्ट्स बनाने के बाद उनके पास लास्ट में कितना क्लॉथ जो है वो रिमेनिंग होगा। दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ क्वेश्चन. So the first thing is that, as you can see here we are having 30 meter only, but here we are having 2 meter and 30 centimeter. The units are different here, and already you have studied in class 4th conversion of units. So the first that we have to write total length of cloth available with Mohini, and that is 30 meter. Clear? Now this 30 meter we are having here, but we are having here 2 meter and 30 centimeter. So we will convert this two different units into one. So it will be easy to convert meter to centimeter, and as you know very well that 1 meter equals to how much? 100 centimeter. So the 30 meter will be like 30 into 100. So the answer is 3000 centimeter. So the total length of cloth available with Mohini is 3000 centimeter. Clear? Now each shirt requires 2 meter 30 centimeter cloth. As you can see, already we have converted this meter into centimeter, so further we will convert this meter into centimeter. You know very well that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So this 2 meter will be like 2 into 100 plus 30. ये ऐड क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि ये तो ऑलरेडी सेंटीमीटर में है 30, तो इसको तो चेंज नहीं करना है, बट ये जो मीटर है इसको चेंज करना है, तो इसलिए 2 इंटू 100, क्योंकि 1 मीटर 100 सेंटीमीटर होता है, तो 2 मीटर 200 सेंटीमीटर. सो फ्रॉम देयर वी आर गेटिंग 2 इंटू 100 200 एंड 200 प्लस 30 वी आर गेटिंग 230 centimeter. That means each shirt requires 230 centimeter of cloth. Okay. So now shirts made by using 30 meter cloth. As you can see, total length of cloth we are having 3000 centimeter, and each shirt requires 230 centimeter. So we will divide 3000 centimeter by 230. Okay, so 230 1 ja 230. So 0 minus 0 0, then this will be 10 minus 3 7, and this 2 minus 2 will be 0. Bring this 0 down, so now it will become 700. So 230 and 700 we are having here. So 230 into 3, 3 0 ja 0, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. So if we are multiplying 230 from 3, we are getting 690, and here we are having 700. So we can write 690 here. So 690, and this will be like 13, and the remaining 10. Okay. So shirts made by using 30 meter cloth is 13 shirts you can make. Okay, and in the last remainder is 10, so 10 centimeter cloth is remaining. How much? 10 centimeter. Clear? So 10 centimeter cloth is left, and total shirts that we can Mohini made for her son 13. Okay, like this you have to solve. Then question number 13 is very easy. The weight of one box is given to you and you have to find 150 weight of 150 boxes. So just multiply and nothing else. Then question number 14. In question number 14 it is given that the distance between two places A and B, and the distance between these two places A and B is 3 kilometer 760 meter. A boy travels from A to B and then B to A every day. How much distance does he travel in 8 days? Interesting question. If that boy is traveling from A to B and again B to A, so from A to B if he is traveling, so the distance covered by him 3 kilometer 760 meter when he is traveling A to B. Then he is traveling return B to A, again the same distance 7 kilometer 760 meter. So from there we are getting 0, 6 plus 6 12, then 1 this side, 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15, then 1 we are having carry, so this one is 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 3 7. So 7 kilometer 520 meter he is traveling in one day from A to B and return B to A. And in question it is asking for how much days? 8 days. So in one day he is traveling 7 kilometer 520 meters. So what about 8 days? Simply for 8 days multiply 7 kilometer 520 meter from 8. So from there 8 0 is 0, 8 2 is 16, 1 this side, 8 5 is 40 plus 1 41. Now 4160 meter. So next is 8 7 is 56 kilometer. As you can see we are having here 4160 meter. So we have to convert this. So this 4 we have to shift this side. So 56 plus 4 60 kilometer and 160 meter total he will travel in 8 days. Okay. So this is your question number 14. Then question number 15, 16, 17 you can solve. If you are having any doubt you can ask. Okay. So your chapter 1 is over. Complete your notes and then you are supposed to send PDF in group when I will ask. Thank you.